Video we're going to discuss how you add multiple sets of data to the same set of axes, which is a very easy process. So first thing you want to do in Excel is you want to list all your data. Okay, what you want to be on the x-axis needs to be listed on the left, and then what you want to be on the y-axis needs to be on the right. The reason for that is because the x-axis is your independent variable and the y-axis is your dependent variable. In this experiment, temperature was being measured in response to time. As time changed, we looked at what happened to the temperature. So I'm going to do trial 1 first. So I select my data, I click the Insert tab, and then I go to Chart. Now, that adds my first trial. Now I select that, right-click, and choose Select Data. Alright, so now all I need to do is I click Add, and then for the series name we'll put Trial 2. For the X values, click this little button right here, and then I can select my X values, which would be time, and then say OK. And then for my Y values, now instead of using trial 1, I'm using trial 2. And then click OK. Now let's just go ahead and change the title on this one. Click Edit, and you can just call it Trial 1, so it looks a little prettier. And now we'll add Trial 3, so click Add. We'll call this one Trial 3. For my X values, again, make sure you're choosing the same X values each time, otherwise your graph won't make any sense. Then choose your Y values. This time we're choosing Trial 3. And then you say OK. And then you say OK. And now all 3 sets are there. Now to add things like our titles and axes labels and all that good stuff, you go to Add Chart Element, and you can put the title on for the axis, right? So the horizontal axis. This is temp. Oh, excuse me, this is time. Oops. In seconds. And then Add Chart Element. Vertical is temp. That's the Kelvin temp. Okay. And then Add Chart Element. And we can add our data labels if we like. If you want to add a trend line, you can do that here. All right, but this is how we would add multiple data sets. If you want to add a legend, there you go. Okay, so I hope this is helpful in adding multiple sets of data to the same graph.